How are you, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Margaret Waidaka from Kibabii University, in charge of Hostels Department. I want to welcome you to Kibabii University, the university of choice. I am the one in charge of Hostel Department, which is under the Office of DVC, Administration, Finance and Development. Our mandate as a department is to provide clean, safe and comfortable environment for all our residents. So we normally allocate our rooms on first come, first served basis. We usually give first priority to students or to first year students and to the students who have special cases. So when you come to Kibabii University as a first year, know that we shall give you the first priority in the allocation of rooms. And we usually encourage our students who are first years to stay within the university because of security. And we usually tell our students that in Kibabii University hostels are safe. We have a CCTV that mans all our hostels, and we also have surveillance staff on the ground who are under the security department. The total number of staff is 11. We have 4 housekeepers and 11 janitors. Housekeepers work during the day and janitors work at night. So every hostel is allocated a housekeeper, and we encourage the students, when you come here, you first know where the housekeeper stays, their office, and also take their numbers. We shall also give you numbers of all the housekeepers once you come, so that in case of anything, you will know where to get assistance. We also have a customer care office, which is situated in Hall 4 of our hostels, and there we have staff during the day at night. So in case of any emergency, you can come to our office, customer care office, for assistance. We also encourage our students to raise any complaints and dissatisfaction in that office, and also to our housekeepers and the janitors. Janitors work overnight, at night. So in case of emergencies like sicknesses or theft at night, you are supposed to get the janitor, who is also located in Hall 4 of our hostels. We also have rules and regulations that governs our hostels, and I want to tell the students here that our rules and regulations are not meant to punish you, but we put them there so that we can ensure that there is law and order. There is law and order in our hostels. One of the rules that we have that is usually contravened a lot by students, it is 10 to 10 rule. This is where you are encouraged and you are told and strict that when you bring you bring a friend in your room, he's not supposed to stay in that room up to 10 at night and at 10 in the morning. Because of what? Because you have other roommates in the room that want to read, they want to sleep. So you cannot have your friends in the room up to late. So you have to make sure that you tell your friends to go away from 10 at night, and you should not welcome any staff, any student, a friend, before 10 a.m. in the morning. We also don't allow business in our rooms. If you have to sell your merchandise, kindly do it outside the hostels, because we do not allow businesses. We also do not allow cooking in the rooms. Another thing that I would like to talk about to you students is that we value cleanliness in our hostels. We have dedicated staff who do cleaning in our rooms, and they do it thoroughly. We usually tell our students the responsibility of maintaining cleanliness is not only for us, for the cleaners and us, the staff, but it is also for you students. In your room, you have a trash basket where you are supposed to deposit your dust, your trash that you have, and also we have dustbins outside. Make sure that you deposit your dust, your dirt, and anything that you want to throw away. You don't go returning around the university, the university and also our hostels. And also for the washrooms, make sure that you keep them clean. We have tried as much as possible to maintain them clean. Kindly use them well. Ladies, I would kindly ask you, when you have a sanitary towel, kindly deposit it in the sanitary bin correctly. When you shall come here, we shall take you through how you're supposed to use that sanitary bin so that you do not drop that sanitary towel in the toilet, inside the toilet bowl, because it blocks. So let us maintain our cleanliness in the hostels so that you can have a clean, a comfortable place to stay in. So we are welcoming you to Kibabii University. We value you, and we shall ensure that your stay here in Kibabii University will be comfortable, and we shall make sure that you feel that it is a home away from home. Thank you very much. We value you. God bless you.